Say you've been messing around with views and you've created a bunch of views now and they're all junked up and you want to get rid of them. And you're like, how in the name of God am I going to delete these? So you actually have to be an admin user to do this. But you would go to platform services, go to custom views, and it's going to bring up all the views that are created for you in the system. Find the one that you no longer need. So let's say for me, I probably have one for test. Yeah, here we go, testing. I'm just going to delete that one out of the system. Okay. And that's gone. So once it's been deleted, then you can't get it back. You'd have to recreate it. But this is just a really simple way of how you do it. So you go to platform services, custom views, and delete from there. So hope this helps. And as always, like and subscribe.